Guys, it's a great day here at What's Up, It's Mark Speedway. Check out this 2006 Silverado 2500 6.0. Boom! Six-inch rough country suspension lift kit on 20x10 fueled cleavers mounted on 35 mud terrains with a dual chamber Flowmaster dual exhaust system. Check it out. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Hot as hell right now. Behind me is a 2006.
Yes.
Waiting for Noah's response. Want to let you guys know that Noah's still here with us in spirit. No, I'm just kidding. He's actually right here. There it is. I'm looking for his cue to be like, yes, it's not a 2000, or no, it's not a 2006. Guys, it's a 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. You're waiting for it, aren't you? Duramax. No, it's not Duramax. It's a 6.0 liter Vortec. Awesome truck. Lifted, well, 6-inch roughly, rough country lift kit on some fuel cleavers. Let's go check it out. So right off the rip, massive meat right here. Same with right here too. But no, honestly, big meat. A lot of meat on this truck. And it's a 35, 12, 50, 20. It looks like it's pretty bulky and girthy and stuff, but it's, you know, that's what it is. It's a nice setup. It really is. Obviously, you can see the trimming from the front, trimming minor in the back. These are a fuel cleaver wheel, and they're 20x10, I want to say. 20x10 fuel cleaver model, 35, 12, 50, 20-inch Nitto Trail Grappler MT. Really nice setup right here. It's a nice setup. It looks tough, and it fits the truck. We put the tow mirrors on here. These are the diesel tow mirrors, LEDs incorporated into the turn signals, as well as the turn signals on the back side of the light. Two different mirrors. We retrofitted it with a whole new front end as far as like the headlights go. Took those ugly amber headlights out, put the nice brand new clear headlights in with, you know, some blue bulbs, or not blue, but halogen bulbs, a nice bright white as they call it. We got the hood paint because it was a little faded. The hood's brand new, nice burgundy paint. The grill's chrome, black Chevy emblem, and you can see the rough country lift down here. This is the drop bracket. This is your drop bracket for the rough country lift. So yeah, 5.5 without searching it on the website. I'd say 5.5, roughly 5-inch rough country suspension lift kit. Moving along to the side right here, you got obviously the rough country shocks on all four corners. This is a 2500 HD LT, full exhaust as you heard in the video. It sounds really tough. Walking around the side, there's really no major, a few dents and scratches here, but nothing major. And for a truck this year, and I'll tell you guys the mileage in a second, it's pretty impressive. It really is. The underside's been undercoated. No major extensive rust, as you can see. And on the side over here, we'll open the door. WeatherTech's throughout. Complete WeatherTech floor mats inside and out. These are the suicide doors right here. You got a really nice kick ASS, I can't say it on YouTube, but kick ASS setup. Come on, see? In the back, this is a custom built fitted box for the back of the Silverado series with the amp installed on the side. Alpine amp, and I think it's a 10-inch or 12-inch subwoofer. Let's check it out. So, it looks like a 10-inch subwoofer. 10-inch, JL audio, wherever the hell it is, I don't know. But that's what that is right there. Close the seat down, seat retracts. Back down, boom. I think I just broke my finger, but I'm okay. And the mileage, you ready? What are you guys guessing the mileage is? So, no Bluetooth. 4-wheel drive, of course. 171,198 maintained miles. Just got a brand new oil change on it. Just had it inspected, and it runs and drives great. Really does. AC blows ice cold. You get a agility trailer brake controller right here. Digital with your gain and all your perimeters and stuff. Third row seat or center seat flips up right there. And that's about it, really. We'll pop under the hood and show you guys this 6.0. It's one of the toughest looking trucks I've seen. It looks just like a damn Duramax. There's under the hood, Vortec, 6.0 liter, clean interstate battery, stock air filter, stock components, and that's about it. Yeah, hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark signing out. See you guys later. Subscribe, holler at you.